DPAR conjugation homework 1. All right, this says conjugate the verb with the correct ending based on the subject pronoun provided. After, translate it to English. So follow this example. Yo and hablar, so I need to put it in the yo form. So step 1, drop your ending. Step 2, add the new one back. It's yo. I know that O is what I have to do, so I'm going to write yo hablo. Then I want you to translate that to English. Yo hablo means I speak. If you just write to speak or to talk, you would be totally wrong because yo hablo, we've conjugated it. We've changed the meaning. So you're going to do that for each of these. Ellos en cantar. That is, okay, so ellos cantar. Here is a nice little handy dandy thing that I added at the bottom here. Ellos, and the verb is cantar. So step 1, drop the ending, AR. Step 2, add something back, AN. So here we go. You're going to go up here, and you are going to write cantan. And then, oh wait, that was supposed to go in the other one. Oh, you are going to write ellos cantan. And then over here, you need to figure out what that says. Ellos is they, cantar is to sing. So together, ellos cantan means they sing. So that's what I'm going to put there. They sing. Easy peasy. That's all you're doing. Spanish and then English all the way through. Don't forget that you have this little chart down here to help you. All right, good luck.